Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be dipping into the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette to create this eye look for you today. It's really simple, really quick tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I've done is I've just prepped my eye with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I use the shade Medium. And then what I'm going to do is go in with my Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette, which looks like this. So I've already done one eye, as you can see. It's not completely done, but I've pretty much done the basics. And I've dipped into the palette already to kind of test out the shades to create this, and I did find that there's a little bit of fallout. Obviously if you don't like that, then I really don't know if this palette's going to be for you. There is quite a lot of fallout on Tanacon, which is one of the main shades that I've used today. But anyway, I'll talk all about that after I've completed this look, so let's just get started. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is Tanacon right here, and as you can see, there's some fallout in the pan, which I think is to be expected with a lot of shades normally anyway. So you just go in a little bit lighter than I guess normal. And what I've done is just go over my entire lid just to base my eye. This actually comes up a lot darker than what I anticipated it to. I thought it'd come up a bit more beigey, but it actually comes up a darker brown on me, which is perfect because it actually matches my skin tone perfectly. So it's the great beige shade for me. But I think if you wanted to just use this as just a clear beige shade, I don't think it'd be right for everyone because, well, I'm olive skin tone. So, but it is a beautiful colour. So you could just wear it on its own, just as like a natural colour eyelid shade. So now that's done, I'm actually going to go in with Diet Root Beer, which is this shade right here. I didn't find any fallout with this shade, so it's quite interesting that some of them do, some of them don't. So I didn't get any fallout with this shade at all. Now what I'm going to do with this is just put it into my crease and just build that up. So I'm using a Spectrum A08 brush, and this is like just a dark brown. So what I went with today, obviously, I mean, I just went with shades that I know that I would use, and there's a lot of obviously shades in here like food videos, Trisha, and probably What's the Tea. They're the types of shades I probably would never dip into unless I'm creating something like a different type of makeup look. I mean, they're just not shades that I would naturally wear or be drawn to. So I've just created a look using the shades I am drawn to initially, and then I'll create something that's a bit more, probably create something that's a little bit more, you know, brighter and a bit more creative than this one. But this is probably something this is a look I would wear on an everyday basis or if going out or something. Right, so now I've built that up, you really don't need a lot. Like, a little goes a long way, which is what I really love about Jeffree Star shades. Anyway, I find that they're such good quality that you can literally take just a tiny amount and it just blends like a dream and just really looks fantastic on the eye. So now that is done, I'm actually going to cut my crease. So I'm going to dip back into my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to use my Spectrum A16 flat brush. So what I'm going to do is actually put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, like so, and what I do is just use that like a palette to cut my crease, and I've got my little mirror, so let's just do that now. Like so. Now that's done, I'm going to take my Spectrum A08 brush, which is a larger flat brush, and I'm just going to dip into just the Theory, which is a gorgeous kind of like bronzy shimmery shade, and I'm going to pop that all over the lid. pushing that into my inner corner as well. Really, really, really beautiful, beautiful shade. And you don't get any fallout on this one, or at least I don't. So yeah, it's just really gorgeous. I just like it. I'd just wear this shade on its own, to be honest. So now that's done, I'm going to dip back into Diet Root Beer, and I'm going to just go back into my crease just to get rid of any harsh lines and just to deepen it up slightly, and then pushing that into my outer corner. Like so. And now I'm going to take a small A112 brush, and I'm going to dip into Not a Fact, which is this gorgeous purpley colour, and I'm going to pop this underneath my lower lashes. It's quite a dark shade, so you don't want too much on your brush. And then I'm going to take another Spectrum A112 brush, and I'm going to dip into Diet Root Beer and just go over it just to blend it out a little bit more. This just gets rid of any of the harshness. So I'm just going to jump off camera, finish the rest of my makeup, do my hair, and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look. Hey guys, so this is the final makeup look. I've actually got Are You Filming on my lips. I don't know whether it actually matches this makeup look, but I thought I'd try it out anyway because I haven't actually tried this yet. I really, really love how it feels on my lips. It's very matte, so I think over time it may dry my lips out, but I think with a little bit of lip balm underneath, and just obviously keep applying the lip balm before you apply the matte liquid lip, or do what I usually do and mix it in with some oils. So I usually use a lip oil and then apply it, and it keeps my lips feeling really supple and soft. So that's just a suggestion and a little tip from me. But yeah, I really, really love the look. I mean, I'd wear it anyway. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear this lipstick with a lot of eyeshadow because that's just really not me, but I probably would wear it with like a simple like black eyeliner, just really sleek and quite sexy, and then obviously pair this eye look maybe with a nuder lip. I just wanted to kind of rock this today. The palette itself is gorgeous. You guys have all seen it, so I feel like me talking about it is just another person saying the same thing. I mean, packaging, incredible. The eyeshadows all look unbelievably amazing. There is a little bit of fallout with the shadows, but I mean, I can completely forgive that because the payoff is awesome. I think they all blend really, really well. I love the shimmer shades. I'm very excited to try some of the colour shades. Sorry, my camera's going like this because Echo's currently having a sniff of my ring light. Anyway, sorry about that. As I was saying, I'm really interested to try out some of the brighter shades because I feel like all the shades that I used today were shades that I would naturally use and be drawn to. So I want to kind of try, you know, Flaming Hot, Cheese Dust, probably food videos, which is probably really pushing the boundaries for me personally in terms of what colours I like to wear. I really like pigment. I think the pink is just a really, you know, gorgeous colour. I think it's really beautiful, and I think that would look really nice all over the lid. Yeah, I think there's really quite a lot of shades in here that are daring to me, but I think I'd love to kind of just try them out and see. I love Jeffree Star eyeshadow, so I knew I had to get this palette because one, every man and their dog were talking about it, but two, because I know the quality that obviously Jeffree Star actually comes out with, and I mean, why would I not want another eyeshadow palette that has those amazing shades in? This is very different to any other eyeshadow I do actually own, so yeah, I'm very, very excited to kind of keep dipping into this and trying it out, creating some new looks. This is the first eyeshadow look that I've created in a long, long time. So I was surprised at myself that I remembered how I like to do my makeup because I don't normally wear a lot of eyeshadows. I was actually really quite surprised with myself, pleasantly surprised. Anyway, but I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you like this makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. And I've got a load of new videos coming your way. And quite a few Christmassy ones, which I'm very excited about. So watch this space and I'll see you next time. Bye!